curator at the Hampton History Museum. You're with me here at Hampton's Air Power Park on Mercury Boulevard. We've been doing some work out here the last year or so, restoring some of the aircraft, one of which is behind me. This is a Hawker XV-6A Kestrel. The shape may be familiar to some of you who are airplane geeks like me. It looks like a Harrier jump jet. It's not, but it's very close. This aircraft was developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s as a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. An age-old ambition to aeronautical engineers, make an aircraft that doesn't need a runway. This was one of the most successful early attempts at doing that. The aircraft itself is actually designed around an engine. The engine was designed by Bristol Siddeley Aviation, which is part of Rolls-Royce. And what they did was they designed a jet engine that has exhaust nozzles. If you think of most jet engines, you think of an intake up front and an exhaust out the back, and that hot air moves very quickly out the back through the exhaust to propel the aircraft forward. Well, this jet engine sits in the middle of the aircraft. The intake is up front, but the exhaust doesn't come out of the back of the aircraft. Rather, it comes out of 4 ports that are on the side of the aircraft. And each of these ports can pivot 90 degrees. So for forward flight, these would be pivoted directly back and give it the most thrust to the back of the aircraft, propelling it forward at 600 miles per hour. But to take off and land, these 4 ports would rotate 90 degrees, be facing directly down, where they would make the aircraft hover in the air like a helicopter. Very successful concept. It led to hundreds of aircraft being built in production called the Hawker Hurricane, or the Hawker Harrier. But there's a hurricane story in this as well. But NASA acquired 2 of these. The Air Force acquired 2 of them. Germany acquired 2. The English kept 2, so there were 8 of these built. They were used to experiment through the mid-60s on learning how to fly vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. We employed them with our Marine Corps. The Royal Navy and the Royal Air Force employ them. The Italian Navy flies them. The Thai Navy flies them. The Indian Navy flies them. So they've become a very popular and a very familiar shape. 1965.